Boulder area students at the center of a Nazi-themed Facebook group are speaking out only to Denver 7. New at 5, they say a very detailed police report has been blown out of context and some of it is wrong. Denver 7's Mark Boyle spoke with one of the students who says the school should have handled this situation much differently.
In the wake of 5 students being expelled here from Boulder Prep, now they say their bad joke is being overblown in this police report. They want back in school and their names cleared. The filing of this 15-page police report is what led to the expulsion of 5 students from Boulder Prep and a police investigation launched against 10 others at several Boulder area high schools for creating what is being called a racial and anti-Semitic hate group on Facebook.
It was not anything of the sorts serious. Like none of the kids were planning on carrying out anything violent in nature. It was just a bad joke.
Sage Reynolds is one of the students who was kicked out. He's listed on the police report as being a member of the social media group called Fourth Reich's Official Group Chat, and says the group started as an inappropriate joke and nobody ever intended to carry out the violent threats against African Americans and Jewish men and women as detailed in the report.
I don't think it's something to joke about, but they just added me to the group. I said something relative to like a conspiracy theory, as like a joke, you know, going along with the joke. And then they just started like saying a bunch of heinous things.
Reynolds, who is set to graduate in May, says he and other group members wish the school and the district had handled things differently.
There was no reconciliation with the families. It was just, your kid's being expelled. Call us if you have any questions.
Boulder police have chosen not to charge anybody with a crime because they say the threats aren't credible. Reynolds says several students are appealing their expulsion. In Boulder, Mark Boyle, Denver 7.
And